Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Learning. Kids, in today's video, we are going to learn about the letter H. H. It's a capital H and it's a small h. Kids, do you know how H sound? H. H. Kids, let's learn more words from letter H. Head, head. H is for hat. Horse, horse. H is for horse. House, house. H is for house. Helicopter, helicopter. H is for helicopter. Heart, heart. H is for heart. Hand, hand. H is for hand.
Thank you for watching. To watch more like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.